This factory, which is located in Saykhya in Bharuch district, is a 92,500 square meter plant. This is Paul Koek. He is Regional Manager Director DIC Asia Pacific. We asked him what is the USP of the Optima plant.
The growth of the ink market in India is mainly in the packaging ink. And this growth is one of the fastest, not just for India, but for the group.
Built at the cost of 110 crore rupees, Phase 1 of Optima's plant occupies 45,000 square meters of the 92,500 square meter plot. It will be able to manufacture over 10,000 tons of toluene-free, ketone-free liquid inks in 2 shifts. The new plant will provide direct employment to more than 100 associates to cater to the growing demand for toluene and ketone-free liquid inks in the country. We asked Manish Bhatia, Managing Director DIC India, as to how will the 10,000 metric tons of ink per year enhance the customer experience for the Indian flexible packaging industry.
In the site that I am seated right now, we are planning to put up a training center, which would be a state-of-the-art training center for training people from our converter partners or brand owners, educating them about the new DIC technologies.
With this new plant, DIC India will now have an expanded footprint in the country. The 4 other plants are in Kolkata, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat and Karnataka. Established as the center of the chemical hub of India, this strategic location gives DIC close access to the northern and western markets that drive the majority of demand in the segment. The plant has a huge line manufacturing facility supplying standard and specialty TF and KF inks.
The group has always focused on the growth of India, and we are looking at new products that we want to bring from overseas into India to service the market, mainly from a sustainability growth perspective.
It will enable DIC, the global leaders in printing inks, to bring new technologies, enhance customer service experience, and the value selling principle that we follow internally will help customers upgrade, which will enhance the throughput of the Indian packaging market.
The Optima plant has a strong commitment towards sustainability. DIC India is in the process of getting green certification for the site. Optima will be the first plant in India to achieve this accreditation. The plant will support the DIC customers' sustainability compliance. We asked Manish Bhatia what the life cycle analysis studies for various ink systems suggest.
We would bring sustainable products from a sustainable site, which would go in a long way in customers and brand owners who are looking at Scope 2, Scope 3 compliance under their ESG guidelines.
The non-toluene inks basically is mainly for food packaging, and the high standards required would be non-toluene and non-ketones. We believe that the technologies of DIC is equipped to service this industry very well. Our sustainability growth model is actually driving on sustainable packaging, and this Optima plant is very well equipped to service the market.
The DIC team of experienced ink technologists manufacture sustainable inks, where the ink recipe plays a vital role. The mantra is simple: the raw material should be quantitative with minimal impact on the environment. What about the future of the Optima plant?
This site, by being sustainable, will also allow our brand owners to do their backward integration to a partner who is sustainable, which will go into their ESG commitments with their Scope 2, Scope 3 compliance. We hope to do the next phase of our journey, committed to this kind of policy that we have, but only enhancing customer journey experience.
As we were exiting the factory, which is located in Saykhya in Bharuch district, we realized DIC India has a manufacturing footprint in the printing inks industry. Already it has 2 plants in Gujarat, with Optima added as the 3rd. The expansion of the interconnectivity between West and North India is great news for the flexible packaging industry, plus a flexible production system for varying batch sizes all at your doorstep.